According to the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, nearly 8.3 million cosmetic procedures were performed in the United States last year, and an increasing number of those were performed on younger and younger patients, which begs the question, how young is too young? Diane McInerney spoke with a 14-year-old who's having a nose job and says she's old enough.
I want to get my nose done. I need to get my nose done.
14-year-old Jessica Rosenthal of Long Island, New York, grew up feeling self-conscious about her big nose.
I have thought about it every time I've looked in the mirror.
But instead of waiting until she's 18, Jessica is getting a nose job now, so she won't have to suffer the teasing in high school.
People making fun of me made me feel horrible. I was miserable.
More teens like Jessica are asking for and getting plastic surgery, and they're getting it younger.
It's better to get it young.
But how young is too young? Doctors performed more than 300,000 procedures on underage teens last year. That's a 48% jump over the previous year. The increase comes partly from the popularity of shows like Extreme Makeover and The Swan. Dr. Zachary Gerut agreed to do Jessica's nose job.
I'm sure a lot of these kids would try to convince their parents to do it earlier, or even the parents would try to convince the doctor to do it earlier. But as physicians, we have to be responsible and guide the parents as well as the patient in the right direction age-wise.
I don't think age matters. You look in the mirror, you see something you don't like, and you would like to fix it.
Jessica's mom, Faith, knows what it's like to be teased. She had her own nose bobbed at age 14. So did Jessica's aunt. We were there for Jessica's surgery.
Jessica is under general anesthesia and she can't feel a thing. The surgery itself takes about an hour and a half, and then she'll be wheeled into a recovery room. A short time later, she'll go home with a new nose.
So how did Jessica's nose turn out?
Oh my God.
Here's before, here's after. And look at the difference in the profile. So what does Jessica's family think?
It'll take about 6 months before Jessica's nose completely heals.